So this is our mince range.
Yep.
Fantastic looking again. You know, how visual is that? That is superb, isn't it? You know, it reminds me of a Christmas tree, but it looks really, really good. But more importantly, when we tried this yesterday, tastes actually fantastic. But actually, Peter, just to touch before what you introduce, very easy to make as well. You know, so
yes,
can you go through these, Peter? They look really, really good.
Right. So there we have Bengali lamb truffle. Right. The recipes, they're all on the QR code.
Yeah. So talk about this one, Peter. What are we going to call this?
Well, I would like to call it the Mac truffle.
Can we say that?
MAC truffle?
Yeah, let's go for that. They look good though. They look really good.
So the Lucas brand new dill pickle
the
burger.
burger mix.
You know what I mean? Made with beef, sort of 230 gram lumps. One made with truffle, one with burger, bit of cheese, some finely sliced onion, the Verstegen new nacho sliceable dill pickle, built up, a little bit of cheese. Cook them off in the oven. Yep. They were fantastic yesterday.
They were. The flavour is just phenomenal. It really is. Real full of flavour.
One of them products that, yes, visually it looks appealing, but I was astounded at how good it tasted.
Yes, they tasted absolutely fantastic, and really easy to make as well, but look good. And I know you touched on there, Peter, about the dill pickle there, but just this is the new Bengali burger mix from Lucas as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
And again, talking about the taste on that one, phenomenal taste again, isn't it? With the Indian mystery outside, you know, the yogurt and garlic there, and the salsa we made there, brilliant. Two fantastic mince product there to start with.
So while you're talking about easy products,
savoury
cupcake. Yeah. Can you remember when we were at Harrogate Show?
Yeah.
They were the most in-demand product.
Yeah.
That was in that counter.
Yes.
Everybody said, "What are they? What are they?"
Yeah.
Basically, sausage meat, like a plain sausage meat, a ball, sliceable sauce of your choice, rolled, batter and shake kit, and then a crumb.
Yeah.
We've used Rotterdam.
From Verstegen?
Yep. Verstegen Italians.
Yep.
And then we've used the Lucas Mexican crumb with the nacho.
Yep.
Right. And I've put, this is important.
Yep.
Right. I've put cheese that's been grated.
Yep.
Not grated cheese, because
Yes.
grated cheese won't stay on the top, so obviously that stops.
Very finely grated as well, Peter, isn't it?
Yeah. A modern version of a Scotch egg, I suppose.
Yeah.
With this new tray setup.
Yeah.
When we spoke earlier about different heights and different textures in the counter.
Yeah.
I think this is fantastic.
I do. Yeah.
Interchangeable. You know, you can do it.
And in the counter, you just display it exactly like that, because that's so impact with the 3 different colours there, the different colours. Restaurant quality again, Peter.
Yeah.
You know, exceptional. Talk about the cooking.
Right, these were all pretty quick. 25 minutes.
Yeah.
They were done.
Yep.
Roughly these, they were a bit longer because they were bigger. But you can, within your shop, you can make them suit the price point you want to be.
Exactly.
You know, we have to do things bigger for film and
Yeah.
photography.
Yeah.
So we probably make them a little bit bigger than they actually are.
So we can see how good these visually look again. Again, they're available on a QR code, so you can use for your social media, on your tills, everything. They're all there for you to use, and that's it. So, okay, Peter?
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.